What's up, King Snappy Food? All up on your screen, coming at you with a That Nap Life video. I want to do a hairstyle, a 4C hairstyle. Well, it's not really specific to 4C, but because I have 4C hair, it's a 4C hairstyle, okay? I am trying the infamous, everybody and mama have done it, but I really haven't tried it like this just yet, slick back ponytail using a whole bunch of gel. I've never done a completely gel down ponytail. I normally just pull my hair back into a pony and then gel on top. But this time I'm gonna gel in between to get the most flat result I've ever had in my whole entire life. I'm a little nervous because it's gonna be a lot of product, but like I'm ready for it. Are you ready? Okay, cool. Let's get into it. Now before checking in, let go. This week I was inspired by 1 Peter chapter 5, verses 6 to 7. Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time he may exalt you, casting all your anxieties on him, because he cares for you. Amen. First thing I want to do is part my hair. So I'm going to actually part it, okay? So I have my hair parted and now I have to choose between gels, okay? So I have quite a few options of gels. Let me show you. All right, let me see what I have here. I have one, I have two. Okay, I have this one, okay? I have this one. But y'all know what? I don't know if it makes a difference, the fact that these have shine to it, but it also has hold. And really the alternative is just for me to use this all over my head, the extreme one. Do I have any more of this? So I actually have the bigger, she's covered, okay? I think I'm gonna just use this one. Why? Because this is talking about hold and shine, and I'm not trying to have my hair shine. All right. I think we're gonna do the whole thing with extreme gel. So this is about to be held down for the H-Town, okay? So what's this? This is what I have in my mind. So I'm gonna gel all this down. My hair is moisturized. Well, it's already detangled, but I'm still gonna detangle it a little bit more. This is my paddle brush from yesterday. Haven't cleaned it yet. Ew, I know. All right, just rinsed it off. And so this is my favorite and really my only paddle brush. Let me break this up in two sections. My hair is still damp, y'all, so it's not fully dry. So yes, that's the goal. I want this to go back, and then I'm gonna gel this part, put it down, and then I'm gonna gel this going like this. It should work out. All right, let's start. Make sure I can see y'all, because I don't want y'all missing what I'm doing. Oh, I gotta make sure I lift it up too, right? Get the kitchen, get the kitchen. Now the smoothing, I'm going to use my tooth comb. I feel like a tooth comb really gets into it better than a regular smegula boar brush or bristle brush. I'm being as gentle as my hands and fingers can be. All right, so that's one section and I'm already tired. Ugh. All right, let's keep going. All right, so change of slight plans. I want this part, because this is gonna go backwards with this. So let's just make sure all of this is one line, kind of. All right, boom, that's this section. I'm gonna gel all this at one time. So we have this going, boom, to the side, let it ride. All right, so now I'm gonna do this section. This is pretty thick. I might have to split it up. Okay, so I have this part done. So I'm gonna take this off. All right. Shout out to the no metal ones. If you don't use no metal ponytail holders, the way I just pulled it off, you can't do that. All right, so now we're at the front. I'm not gonna have to split this up. I'm gonna gel like here, gel right here. All right, I gotta plan this out a little bit better. I'm just gonna gel it, right? But I'm not gonna smooth it or put it into the ponytail. All right, let me get this back part. The main show, the very front, the part. This area, I can't have no mistakes because you will see it. Okay, so let me get my part just a tad bit straighter. I'm not looking for a perfect straight line. Okay, now we're gonna do the rest. Let me get my extreme gel together. Do I want to detangle a smidget? A smallet? Yes, I do. Tangle just a little bit. Oh, this is like a flat. Oh, this is flat. I don't think I've ever gotten my hair. I've never gotten my hair this flat before, but okay. Here we go. We go with it. I think a little gel got on my scalp. Felt a little itch over there. Look, there's no turning back now. All right, so now I'm gonna put it all together. Wow, I have never had my hair this flat before. Wowzer. Wow. Do I like it? I don't know if I like it, yo. I don't know if I like it, but I'm already in it. What can I do? All right, so now I'm gonna do the final ponytail holder. Keep my hand right in the middle so it doesn't try to shift, and I'm looping it 3 times. This sucker's flat. Do you understand what I'm saying right here? Flat! All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel up here. So I don't wanna go too much gel on this top part because I know this is gonna be an area that I'm gonna probably be re-gelling because when I work out, I sweat and all the other beautiful stuff. All right, I have another tooth comb I'm gonna use, okay? To kind of, you see how I kind of have these break-in lines right there? Because the way my edge up is, as y'all seen before, it goes like this, it goes back to here. I think these lines are because technically there's no hair in that area. All right, so now I'm gonna use my bristle brush. This side is really hard, I never use it. Then, well, you probably use this on like my wigs, I guess, but this side is softer. Now, as soft as it is, I'm still not going to go on my hair like that. It's not gonna go like that. I'm gonna go to the side. I'm gonna go brushing it back, using just the edge, okay? All right, so I'm just going like that, and then other side, boom. So now, should I put my braiding hair on now, or do I let my hair set and then put it on? So what I'm gonna do, I kind of already have it set up. So I just took 2 pieces right here. Let me just undo it. Boom, put it together as if I'm doing a braid. Okay, boom, boom, like that. And I'm just going to basically braid. So what I plan to do is use this as one of the braids, I guess. And I'm just gonna kind of take this. So let me just braid it. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm almost at the end. I should have made this a knotless braid, huh? But anyway, too late, not going back, I'm tired. I'm gonna tie a knot and just leave it like this. Yo, I'm so like ecstatic because this is literally a hairstyle I've never done. This is the year of just try it out, girl. You might like it, you never know. All right, so I'm leaving it like this. Ooh. Yo! All right, so now for this portion. All right, so I have some extra hair here. Do y'all think I should wrap it? Okay, I hear y'all. Let me go ahead and wrap it. Y'all already know I'm trying to get out of it because I'm lazy. I'm feeling lazy. So let me just wrap it. Did I wrap it down? I didn't need to wrap it, did I? I'm gonna go to my little mirror over here and look at this in 10X. Oh my God, this is so pretty. What? I didn't need to wrap it. Let me take the wrap off. I think the wrap just messed it up. Oh, I do need to wrap it. I see my ponytail, but maybe what I can do instead is just kind of pull this up, pin it into there, if it'll let me. There we go. Wisdom. Hey, my name is Ade Alaze Totun Toyi Funke Laye Oluwa Baba. Now, y'all see my widow's peak is coming undone. I try not to mess with this area too much because that's where I also had damage. Let me see if I split my widow's peak down the middle. Let me see, what can I do with this widow's peak? Widow's peak is one of those things you like, do I really include you into the style or no? Yo, okay. Now, I don't have any gel on my part, which I'm not going to, but I do see some areas really close to my part that I probably should give a little gel love to. Just a little bit. Yo. This looks really good, y'all. It's not even set. Okay, girl, I don't even have I haven't even tied the head tie down yet. And it's already giving me layers. Yes. It's giving me, ma'am, can I hold your bag? Ma'am, do you need another cup of sparkling water? Ma'am, should I feed you? That's what this style is giving me. You can't just talk to me any kind of way when my hair is looking this slick and this flat. Huh? Y'all talking to me? You cannot be talking to me. I do have a little bit of spacing in this area that is part of the braid damage. So I have come across this black gel. I'm going to use my toothbrush right here and just kind of lightly brush it in. I'm not trying to have it look so dang obvious, you know? Just gonna brush this in lightly, not a major harsh brush. I'm gonna use my fingers to rub it in too. Y'all see the difference now? Just looks a bit more fuller, that's all. So now we're gonna set. Can I just say shout out to the fact that I have yet to put this on and it's so flat. Okay, here we go. So now I'm gonna put this on, going underneath the ponytail, coming year round, coming across this part right here. Bam, bada bop, boom. Let me tie it here, one more tie. And then we finish with the pow. You know, actually, this isn't the pow. The pow is when it's done. Let me give y'all the real pow. That wasn't the pow. Y'all ready for it? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So off camera, I decided to braid it down a little bit more, and then I'm going to curl this end. Do y'all see me? Do you see your girl? Hey, you cannot tell me anything. You cannot talk to me any kind of way because I'm gonna keep it cute. I'ma still keep it cute. I'm loving this. It's just, wow. Wow. Look how flat. Actually, I do show a little shine. It could be the light. It's the lights. But nonetheless, it's still a shiny. It's nice. It's good. It's sheen, shine, shoony, shanshiri. I like. I'm so happy I did this hairstyle. Now I gotta take photos. I like the dress, the hair. I don't know why I'm doing this because then my hair is not moving because it's stiff. No, it's actually not stiff. It's just a soft hold. That's what it feels like. Granted, it's not all the way dry either. Anyway, let me go ahead and tie this back on. I'm gonna keep it on all the way till I get to the garage at work. And yeah, I think we have accomplished the slick as heck ponytail style. I do foresee this style coming back onto my head quite a few more times, okay? The only thing I probably would do the next time I do this style is probably use a lot less gel. But I'm glad I tried this. Even now, I still don't think it's flat like paper, but it's the flattest my hair's ever been in this ponytail style. So she's here for it, and she's about to go to the what, J-O-B, okay? Yes, your girl does work a 9 to 5, okay? Hallelujah, and I do this on the side, okay? Hallelujah! Yes, I do go to work with not much makeup on. I do my brows, and all I do with the brows is actually just use this. Wait, not this one. So I have 2 different colors. This one's darker, so I tend to use this one. All I do is brush it up, boom, 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 boom. That's it. Eyeliner, eye mascara, lip gloss, I'm out. And then I'll powder my face a little bit, and I'm out the door. That's it. Yeah, so on this note, I'm gonna end today's vlog. Now, when it comes to these vlogs, what I've been thinking about doing is ending it on a what I've learned type of vibe. Like, what did this weekend teach me? What is something I've taken away from this weekend? Because I feel like every day we learn something. If you really sit and think about it, you most likely came across something that really inspired you, or encouraged you, or just elevated you, whatever be the case. So this weekend, also combined with last weekend, I went to Bible study, and we just kind of talked about Kevin Samuels in the sense that everything, and granted, Everybody has their different feelings about him. The late Kevin Samuels, may he rest in perfect peace. When he was alive, I wasn't a viewer of him, but I've heard and I've seen some of his videos. But basically what we said is that everything he said, as much as a lot of people do, a lot of women don't agree with it, and some men, at the end of the day, a lot of stuff he said was people's reality. However, it wasn't the truth. A lot of stuff that he says is what people are actually dealing with or want to be dealing with. He always talked about high value men not wanting women who are not high value too. That does happen. A man who has $500,000 a year going for a woman who has $20,000 a year or $30,000 a year is highly unlikely. Doesn't normally happen that way, and that's reality. However, it's not truth. It's not life's truth. It's not how things are to be. And it's not, as a Christian, Jesus loving woman, it's not biblically sound. So it's not truth. So I think what the note I've learned in these from last weekend, this weekend, the weekend period, is that you have to learn what your truth is. Like, what is it that is part of your true identity? I believe when you find what defines you, your truth, it makes it a bit more tolerable to listen to people who might have very different outlooks on life. Why does it make it tolerable? Because you already have your truth. You have your foundation. It won't shift it. So find out what your truth is, stick to it. So even when you do hear other opinions, other people's thoughts on things, you're not now questioning your truth. Find your truth, stand on it. Okay. On that note, I'm gonna end my vlog. Oh no, I'm not a hog. I don't even like to eat that pig. Okay, let me stop. How do y'all deal with me? I'll see y'all on the next vlog. Maybe food checking out. Deuces. Okay, it's the end of the night. I wanted y'all to at least see how it looks at the end of the day, how it held up. So it is pretty much dry for the most part. I do still have I can still feel some undried gel, like in this area, where my hair is actually a little bit thicker here anyway. So, but for the outside part here, that thing is all the way dried, and it is hard. It is firm, okay? All right, now I'm really out. Deuces.